How to make or create a YouTube Shorts on CapCut PC. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can make YouTube Shorts on CapCut PC. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through this video. In order to make a YouTube Shorts on CapCut PC, you want to go ahead and open up CapCut. Then here you want to select the video and add it to the timeline. So let me just deactivate this one. Now you can see I have the clip here, right? Now, however, you can see the video is here in this format, which is not the correct format for YouTube Shorts. However, you can fix this easily by selecting the ratio option here. Just above the timeline, tap on it, and now you want to switch it to 9:16, which is the default size for YouTube Shorts. And then you can go ahead and resize it. Now you can see it is ready. Now, however, if you wish to add certain fonts here and such, then you can go ahead and add it as well. Such effects and fonts that you would like to edit, you can go through the editing process and then go ahead and export it and upload it to Shorts. This is how you can create YouTube Shorts on CapCut PC. Hope this video is helpful. Do like and subscribe.